I'm using this new green bait caster, 13 fishing. It cost 100 euros and it's left-handed, so I'm gonna get used to this one. For bait, I'm using this new Svartsonker McTrace jerk bait, and I think it's very cool. It's gonna be interesting to see if I can catch anything. As you guys can see, it's snowing a lot. Look on my fingers a lot. It's not easy in Finland, I tell you that. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cast this. Hopefully the camera doesn't get icy. I'm just gonna jerk it in, make a lot of movement, and the ice is like, dude, you gotta be careful. Under the bridge. I'm not getting good casts right now. Oh, that's a good cast. I got this bait for 10 euros, I think. And I think it's very cool. It looks a little bit like a roach. When it's summer, there's a lot of boats around here. A couple of videos ago, I fished here. I want to thank you all for the support. Last video got 1,300 views, and subscriber wise we're at 49 right now. I want to thank you guys so much. The latest videos have been popping off, and yeah, I'm here to build an awesome community. As a creator, it's very nice to see the videos pop off, and I got some nice comments as well. Shout out to these guys. Oh, bottom. Oh, we're free. This can happen with jerkbaits a lot. The leader gets stuck in the hook. Oh, look how much ice there is. I'm trying to get these uploads even though the hard conditions. Let's see if this video can reach a couple hundred views again. I believe it can. When the ice goes away, I'm gonna be able to fish at so many better spots. I wonder if there is any fish here. I'm fishing in Helsinki, close to the sea. This is part of the sea, you can say. Yesterday I was in the fishing fair in Finland, and I bought some new baits I'm gonna be showing you guys in later videos. Let's move it. Last night it was snowing a lot, so the conditions are not the best. As you guys can see, there's a lot of ice there. I'm still learning how to use this bait. You can say I'm street fishing because there's a lot of cars there in the background. What a cast. This bait flies very good. It's very heavy, but still it floats very good. Guys, welcome to Finland. It's snowing, but you still gotta pursue your passions. And my passion is fishing, so it's not easy, let's just say that. Come on, Pike. Where are you? Oh my days. I think that's enough. My hands are very cold. The fish seem to be very inactive at this time of the year. Well, looks like we didn't catch anything today. The conditions are not very good, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.